We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Natalee Bowen for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
So on this season of Open Homes, we're here at a beautiful Schots Emporium in Melbourne, and we're so excited to be actually helping you go through all the things that you're going to need to do if you're looking at renovating or building a home. So one of the first things that you need to be thinking about and starting to plan are the things that you're wanting to have in your house. What sort of lifestyle that you want to be leading and who's going to be living there. And you also need to actually come to a place that you can see everything in situ. Things like dining tables, sofas, what size do you want that? Because your whole house is going to be planned around your beautiful furniture pieces. So come with me and let's have a look at what else you need to be planning. So you might think that it's too early to think about planning your baths and your vanities and toilets, but let me tell you, when it comes to your pad down, these are all things that you need to know straight away. We're really going to be going into all the details that you need to be thinking about now, about your fixtures and your fittings. Again, there is no time like the present to get all of these details and planning down pat, because these are the things that are going to make your home. Getting down to the design detail of choosing your fireplaces and mantelpieces, some gorgeous ambient light through your home. Sit back, take notes, and let us help create the beautiful dream home that you've always desired.